Right. So we actually he pointed out the this one. What do you call it again?
Pendulum.
Pendulum.
Yeah.
Yeah. The idea.
So it's like a pendulum groove. It's
Mhm.
like what we're kind of working on, but it's the what do you call this? It's the Newton inertia balls. So you
Yeah,
have,
they
like,
have a
the
5 balls and then
boom,
ping,
boom,
ping.
boom.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, and the inertia doesn't escape.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So they already have kind of ideas like you just moving it like this, boom, 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 or dum, dum, dum. The easiest one that everybody knows is this one, the boom, boom. Like one leg, so
Yeah.
then, um, then.
Yeah, even like the old school kind of.
That one's have like the step, actually the step coming here to boom, then they go,
Yeah.
boom, then they go. So that one's usually you need to put them on. So you hit it here, they go out, and boom, boom.
And so the idea is to transfer the momentum from one thing to the other with the same amount of speed, right?
Mm-hmm. So that, that, that. This do like a swing, so you got like this kind of carve move in the beginning, boom, boom. So you're dancing like this, with elbow, or just the hands, or the palms. And same thing, you can do this.
And I think this is actually a little harder than. I mean, we're doing it pretty easy, but I remember like for real beginners and people that I've taught, it's like this little speed change at the top of the arc is kind of hard.
Right,
so
right.
How do you explain that?
So that one's the top speed of the finish, then come back. So like they speed up. So they should be going like this, right?
Yeah.
Boom, boom. So this is the top speed right here.
Yeah.
It's like a pretty much a point to the top speed. Then, so as soon as you get a top speed, that will continue at the top speed and then slow down. Then what? What?
So it's
Meh.
this arc.
So like this.
Yeah.
Mm. Mm.
It kind of depends on how much you're swinging and how heavy it is too, right?
Mhm.
So if you're doing it smaller, that distance is shorter,
Mhm.
and there's that moment where it changes directions. It basically stops for a very split second in time,
Mhm.
and then it transfers back down. Boom, 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 boom. Then swing higher. Boom,
Mhm.
boom, boom. Then you can also do the ones where it's losing inertia and it comes back down.
Yeah. I don't know. My music is too up higher. I don't know. Maybe we can drop a little more. Damn, that's too low.
Probably still hurts.
Yeah, that's still.
So then, how do you apply this in dance?
So the idea is that you like one by one like this is to the idea is to there is you not twist it.
Yeah.
So you go into like so you move there and then move it and then hit it to another spot, boom, and then you come back and hit it this one and that one and that one, right? Boom, shoulders, the elbow, the hands, the heads, boom, and then swing it back, boom, 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 boom.
So the music kind of has like a swing to it.
Mhm. Then just split it half.
So like you could even think of like the clap being at the bottom of the arc.
Like this.
And so if you're dancing,
Right.
and then if it stops,
Yeah. Then pass.
yeah,
And then you pass to the hips, and then you can do like a double pass. So you can do like a ding ding, ding ding. So you can do ding ding.
yeah. So you hit your leg, boom.
Go in the legs, go with your
Boom,
hips.
boom, boom,
The boom boom, yeah. And ding ding, boom, ding ding. Oh yeah.
Yeah, so
Ding,
it's
ding,
like
ding.
boom, 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 boom.
Mhm.
Yeah, so it's that momentum that's swinging from side to side, and then it always has this feel in the music. That's like the pocket almost.
Because music has that swing.
Yeah.
Even go quick. So the examples you do swing on the elbow, boom, 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 boom. So you're doing quicker, like a mix of the pop with it, like pa 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 pa, boom, boom.
So you have like these little.
Yeah, just going the little ones, not like that big swing. Going
Yeah.
like a chit, 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 ting, 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 come
So
back.
would this be like a 16th? You would make it like a 16th swing almost.
They're going to just like a 4 to the maybe 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's like a 4, eh? 1,
Yeah.
2. Like a faster. Dum. This is a 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Well, like a half size. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Then go in this one. Ding, 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 ding. But still like 4, yeah? Dum, dum,
Yeah.
dum. If you go keep that size, you try to go move fast. That's a lot.
Yeah.
But you can go short, so you're gonna go quicker. Dun, 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 dun. But bigger like this, right? Ding, 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 ding.
Yeah.
So super small, like wow, like this.
So if you're passing it from one
Yeah.
thing to the other.
Dun, dun, or dun, 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 smaller. Too.
And so, I mean, for me, this is like one of the most important concepts in popping.
Right.
I think.
Yeah. To get the balance.
Yeah.
Right, left.
Well, it's also like, I mean, you see it in boogaloo. Like you see it when people like dance or groove with the pop, because there's that moment where it's a swing to a stop. But so one thing swings, boom, and another thing swings, but that swing is still consistent throughout
Right.
the movement. Yeah.
That's a different, like a spiral way that you pass. Yeah.
But even like you see it in a swoop or something like this, but you could add it to different parts of your body. But you're always feeling that swing.
Yeah. Like feel like you have the pendulum inside the body, and then tin 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 tin, they hit it each other inside the body, and they bounce it, come back. But have two. Like one single is going like this, boom, 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 boom.
It's almost like your internal metronome, right? Like it's the metronome of the music.
Yeah.
But it has a speed change to it.
Yeah.
So the metronome is usually just going click, 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 click. This one's going click, click, click.
Yeah, but like this, quick.
Yeah,
Quick.
It's like an upside down metronome.
Yeah. Or like this, you can do this, but of course. But the best part is that you can change it directions because you cut it in half already. So boom, 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 boom.
Yeah.
And you can go anywhere, boom, boom, even like this.
Opposite, boom,
Yeah.
Boom, boom, boom. And the swing doesn't have to be that shape. It can be flat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You get it flat, or you can change the direction like this.
Yeah.
Even going up, down, up, down.
Yeah.
It's spiral, or spiral is the opposite. Okay, you pass it here, but this one will pass it here, like a boom, 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 boom. Oh shit.
Yeah, I think it's like super important for learning how to continue the groove throughout your dance and pass off the isolation.
Yeah. But the pendulum idea is you can do it at hits too. So if you feel like you're hitting, you try to stop here, but the pendulum is inside coming after your body. So you hear like a boom, 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 boom.
So there's like a delay.
Yeah, delay. Like they come in after you swing in, swing out.
Boom, boom,
Yeah.
boom. Yeah, so then, there's just so much you can do. You can have like little, and you can switch up different levels of the pendulum. So you have like the small ones, and then it goes into a big, boom, bam,
Bam, boom,
bam.
boom. Then you try to stop a boom, but your swing coming after boom, boom, boom,
Yeah.
boom.
And also, I mean, you've probably talked about this in other videos too, but like when you're roboting and the dancing robot, a lot of it is this too.
Yeah.
It's the ability to hide that pendulum in flat motion,
Mhm.
still feeling like you're dancing on the inside.
Yeah. If you do still, you pass it out, but this time you just mix to the stop to dum dum, but still actually like this. Idea was that,
Yeah.
pendulum is changing the corners. So number 3, dime stop. That one helps. You change the direction. Dum 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 dum. Right. So again, ding, 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 or ding, ding, ding. So you cut in the middle. Ding, 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 ding. You pass. So like this. Ding, 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 ding.
You have an invisible one,
Mhm.
right? So you like swing, boom, boom, boom,
Yeah.
boom, 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 boom.
So you can do the hands pass, they come back or do it, or it's there but you don't do nothing, then come back. Oh,
Yeah,
they hit
just
it again.
right, yeah.
Yeah.
So you can set it up like this, and then you go.
That was almost the same as the idea. Like you swing it there.
Yeah. Yeah. So there's a ton of variations to do
Yeah.
with it, passing through your body,
Mm-hmm.
more weight, less weight, faster, slower.
You put them in the wave, you pass it to here, and you pass it this one, and coming back up and pull out. Like we call pull out.
Yeah.
You're going to swing out, boom, dum, dum. You put them in. That one's still pass. This is like a pendulum ideas still.
Mm.
But the speed change is different. And the pendulum is still have like a stop. This is a 0 speed, then faster speed,
Mhm.
at a 0 speed again. So like here to you started here. Woo,
Speed change.
yeah, speed change a little bit.
Yeah.
This part is slower, and this part is fast. Going faster. This is the fastest.
Uh-huh. So a lot of this stuff is, I mean, it's mind based,
Mhm.
you know, and that's a lot of the secret of the illusion and the magic behind popping is that you can't tell what we're thinking about, but it makes sense.
Oh yeah.
Like
There's a pop.
physics.
Really pop it out. What was this one?
Uh,
This one.
the
Open,
pass.
close. Yeah, pass.
Yeah, yeah.
Boom.
Yeah. Hang out, but you close when you do it.
Yeah, so you close it. It looks like you close it like this, and then you're going out.
Never practiced that one. I got practice to do, y'all.
But they got so many ideas they could do it, especially for doing like this pass or here going there, like a misdirection pass.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a really, really unique ideas. You can make it so much combo.
Yeah.
You showed it to some easy ones a little bit already, so you guys make it your own.
Yeah.
Don't ask me too much.
And if you have questions, post them in the comments
Oh, yes.
below. We'll get to them.
All right, peace.